Hey everyone, welcome to the exciting world of AI on the edge. Today, we're diving headfirst into the realm of real-time artificial intelligence with the Raspberry Pi AI Hat Plus. This incredible piece of hardware is about to supercharge your Raspberry Pi projects, enabling it to perform complex tasks like object detection, pose estimation, and so much more, all without relying on the cloud. Imagine a world where your Raspberry Pi can recognize objects, track movements, and make intelligent decisions in the blink of an eye. That's the power the AI Hat Plus brings to your fingertips. Whether you're a seasoned AI enthusiast or just starting your journey, this guide will equip you with the knowledge and tools to unleash the full potential of this game-changing device. Throughout this tutorial, we'll be your trusty guides, walking you through every step of the process, from unboxing and setting up the hardware to installing the software and running your first AI-powered demo. We'll provide clear and concise instructions, ensuring that even if you're new to the world of Raspberry Pi and AI, you'll feel confident and empowered to explore the endless possibilities that await. So buckle up and get ready to embark on an exciting adventure as we delve into the world of the Raspberry Pi AI Hat Plus and discover how it can transform your projects from ordinary to extraordinary. Let's get started. Before we can begin our AI journey, let's take a look inside the box and familiarize ourselves with the treasures it holds. The Raspberry Pi AI Hat Plus package comes equipped with everything you need to kickstart your AI endeavors. First and foremost, you'll find the star of the show, the Raspberry Pi AI Hat Plus itself. This compact yet powerful board is the heart of your AI operations, housing the Halo 8L AI module that will be doing all the heavy lifting. Next up, you'll discover a stacking GPIO header. This handy component allows you to connect the AI Hat Plus seamlessly to your Raspberry Pi, extending its capabilities without blocking access to other GPIO pins. And of course, no unboxing would be complete without the essential screws and standoffs. These will ensure a secure and stable connection between your AI Hat Plus, the GPIO header, and your Raspberry Pi. Now that we have all our components laid out, let's move on to the exciting part: putting them all together. Now that we've unboxed our AI Hat Plus and admired its components, it's time to roll up our sleeves and assemble the hardware. Don't worry, this is more of a delicate symphony than a heavy-duty construction project. We'll guide you through each step, ensuring a harmonious connection between your AI Hat Plus and your Raspberry Pi. First, gently attach the standoffs to the designated holes on the AI Hat Plus. These will provide the necessary clearance and support for a secure connection. Next, carefully align the stacking GPIO header with the pins on your Raspberry Pi and gently press down until it's firmly seated. Make sure all pins are properly aligned to avoid any damage. Now carefully position the AI Hat Plus over the GPIO header, ensuring that the standoffs fit snugly into the mounting holes. Secure the connection by fastening the screws, but be careful not to over-tighten them. With the hardware assembly complete, your AI Hat Plus is now ready to receive the breath of life, the software. With our hardware assembled, it's time to breathe life into our AI Hat Plus with the power of software. This process might seem daunting, but fear not, we'll guide you through each step, making the installation process as smooth as possible. First things first, make sure you have a Raspberry Pi 5 running a 64-bit Raspberry Pi OS, preferably the latest version, Bookworm. This will ensure optimal performance and compatibility with the AI Hat Plus. If you haven't already, download and install the operating system on your Raspberry Pi. Once your Raspberry Pi is up and running, connect to the internet and open a terminal window. We'll be using a few command lines, but don't worry, we'll provide you with the exact commands to type in. Start by updating your system with the following commands: sudo apt update and sudo apt full upgrade. This will ensure that you have the latest software packages installed. Next, we'll update the EEPROM and firmware to ensure seamless communication between your Raspberry Pi and the AI Hat Plus. First contact running the object detection demo. The moment we've all been waiting for has arrived. It's time to witness the magic of AI in action by running our first object detection demo. This is where the true capabilities of the AI Hat Plus will be unveiled, showcasing its ability to perceive and understand the world around it. Navigate to the demo directory using the following command in your terminal: cd/opt/halo/examples/object_detection. Inside this directory, you'll find a collection of pre-trained models and demo scripts ready to be unleashed. For this demo, we'll be using a model trained to detect everyday objects. To execute the demo script, simply type the following command in your terminal: Python 3, detect.py, model_path/ops/halo/models/YOLOV5s/YOLOV5s_FPGA.HN model. Prepare to be amazed as the demo springs to life. Your screen will light up with a live feed from your connected camera, and bounding boxes will appear around detected objects, labeling them with impressive accuracy. The AI Hat Plus is now actively perceiving and understanding its surroundings, showcasing the power of AI on the edge. Beyond the basics, exploring advanced applications. Congratulations on successfully running your first object detection demo. You've witnessed firsthand the power of AI on the edge, but our journey doesn't end there. The Raspberry Pi AI Hat Plus is a versatile tool with a vast array of applications waiting to be explored. Beyond object detection, the AI Hat Plus excels in other computer vision tasks, such as pose estimation, which allows you to track human body movements in real time. Imagine the possibilities in areas like gesture recognition, sports analysis, and even healthcare. Furthermore, the AI Hat Plus can be harnessed for tasks like image classification, semantic segmentation, and even natural language processing. This opens up a world of possibilities in areas like robotics, smart homes, and personalized experiences. The key is to unleash your creativity and explore the vast resources available to you. Experiment with different pre-trained models, dive into the world of custom model training, and discover how the AI Hat Plus can empower you to build innovative and impactful AI solutions. Troubleshooting tips for a seamless AI experience. As you embark on your AI adventures with the Raspberry Pi AI Hat Plus, you might encounter a few bumps along the way. Don't worry, that's perfectly normal. To ensure a smoother experience, here are a few troubleshooting tips to help you overcome common challenges. First and foremost, always double-check your connections. A loose cable or an improperly seated component can lead to unexpected issues. Ensure that your AI Hat Plus is securely connected to your Raspberry Pi, and all cables, including the camera module, are properly connected. If you encounter software-related problems such as errors during installation or execution, make sure you have the latest software versions installed. Run the update and upgrade commands mentioned earlier to ensure your system is up to date. Remember, the Raspberry Pi community is vast and supportive. If you face any persistent issues, don't hesitate to seek help from the community forums and online resources. Chances are someone has encountered a similar problem and found a solution. Expanding your horizons resources for further learning. Congratulations on taking your first steps into the world of AI on the edge with the Raspberry Pi AI Hat Plus. Your journey has just begun, and a universe of knowledge and resources awaits those eager to delve deeper. To further expand your horizons, we highly recommend exploring the Hilo website and documentation. You'll find a treasure trove of information including detailed technical specifications, advanced tutorials, and helpful examples to guide you through more complex projects. Additionally, the Raspberry Pi Foundation offers a wealth of resources for both beginners and experienced makers. Their website provides comprehensive guides, project ideas, and a vibrant community forum where you can connect with fellow enthusiasts and seek assistance. Remember, the learning never stops, and continuous exploration is key to unlocking the full potential of AI. Embrace the journey, experiment fearlessly, and never stop seeking new knowledge and challenges. The future of AI is in your hands. Conclusion: embracing the future of AI with Raspberry Pi. As we conclude our exploration of the Raspberry Pi AI Hat Plus, one thing is abundantly clear: the future of AI is bright, accessible, and brimming with possibilities. This powerful device has democratized AI, empowering makers, educators, and innovators of all levels to harness its transformative capabilities. With the AI Hat Plus at your fingertips, you hold the key to building intelligent solutions that can address real-world challenges and revolutionize industries. From revolutionizing healthcare with AI-powered diagnostics, to creating smarter cities with intelligent traffic management, the possibilities are limited only by our imagination. As you continue your AI journey, remember that the Raspberry Pi community is your greatest ally. Embrace collaboration, share your projects, seek inspiration from others, and together, let's push the boundaries of what's possible with AI on the edge. The future is here, and it's intelligent, accessible, and powered by devices like the Raspberry Pi AI Hat Plus. Let's embrace this exciting frontier and shape a future where AI benefits everyone. Thank you for joining us on this incredible journey, and happy making.